A vault in Mylio is any device that you designate as a repository for all of your images. A device designated to be a vault will have the thumbnails, the optimized images, and most importantly, the original version of all your files stored in that device. It will also contain a full copy of the Mylio catalog and database. So from a vault, you can recreate your library and add other devices. If you were to lose all your other devices, but only retain a device designated as a vault, such as an external hard drive, none of your work and none of your images would be lost. We recommend that you have at least 2 vaults. Any device can be designated as a vault. Computers with a lot of internal storage and external drives make really good candidates. Cloud devices can also be a good vault since they have unlimited storage, but keep in mind that there might be added inconvenience of uploading and downloading the files, as well as added costs to pay for the additional storage on your cloud service. Mobile devices can be set up as a vault, but they're typically not good candidates because they have limited storage and their portability makes them more prone to loss, damage, or theft.